G'day folks, Ben from Snows here. Today I'm a little bit excited. I want to show you what's so special about this Tiegear Guy Rope.
Hit it.
This guy rope comes with a 320 kilogram rated rope, an integrated mesh storage pocket, a really unique tightening mechanism, and is perfect for awnings, caravans and tents. Before we dive into this product, there is loads more content like this on our YouTube channel, so make sure you like and subscribe and you'll get notified of all of our latest content. Now let's jump in. So this here is the Tiegear Guy Rope. Really has revolutionized the simple thing that we thought of guy ropes. It's made it really simple to use and also really tidy on your tent. Weighs about 250 grams, and as you can see there's a pouch here that's got about 4 meters of this rope in it, and that measures sort of 15-20 odd centimeters in length, and then you've got these little bits on the end here. Made of a polyester rope. It's got 320 kilo racing on that rope there. It's got a heavy duty mesh bag all attached to the guy rope here, and then some webbing on the back here with heavy duty D-ring. So heavy duty D-ring here, which is the peg that'll go into the ground. Got an alloy carabiner clip here, as well as a loop with an alloy fastener here, so you can attach this to an awning pole or whatever with the loop if you like, or if you've got eyelets in your awning, for example, you can use this carabiner to loop it through the eyelet, so multiple attachment points there. Now the magic with this guy rope is with this sort of cast aluminium sort of mechanism here. Now there's 2 parts to this, it's all integrated and it's all attached to the bag here. It's an all-in-one mechanism here, you don't lose any parts. But this has got a section in the middle that runs inside this sort of conical shaped thing, and there's ball bearings inside here that as the rope pulls up, or as this section pulls upwards, the ball bearings ride upwards in this conical shaped thing and lock against the guy rope here to stop it pulling out this way. But the ball bearings can move back this way, which allows you to pull the rope backwards in the mechanism. So when you set the guy rope up, this will go up to your awning or your awning pole, whatever you're attaching that to, and then this will go at the peg end, and you can pull the rope this way through the mechanism. The easiest way to demo this is to show you on just a basic little setup I've got here. So this is just an awning pole. I've got just a couple of guy ropes and I just want to hold this upright. What I want to do is put this guy rope down this side to sort of simulate setting this up, say if it was on the corner of my tent, or if it's an awning pole on an awning on the side of a car. Now if this had a loop or something on it, I could use this carabiner to loop through the loop to attach this, but I only have the spigot up over the top. So I'm actually just going to loop this over here like so to hold that in place. From here, I'm going to unzip this bag and just release the rope. So let all that rope fall out. The rope will pull right through the end if we want. You can tie a knot in the end, but there's nothing on the end of this rope. And from here, if we keep tension on this and just pull the bottom section here, this whole mechanism will run down. If I bring this down to a peg that I've got in the ground down here, the D-ring on the end here, I'll loop over the peg, and then I come back up to the mechanism, hold the rope on the bottom, and just push this through to tighten it up. And that's locked into place. I could feel like I could tighten that up a whole lot more. So now I can get the rest of this rope, just loop it around my hand like this, bundle it up, put it back in the bag here, little storage pocket, zip that up, and that's the end of the rope all tucked away in the bag there. Now the rope itself has got a 320 kilo weight rating, which is going to be more than what any peg is going to be able to hold in the ground. And in terms of this slipping, they don't give it a rating, but if I give that a pull, it gives a little bit to start with, just as the ball bearings move up and lock into place really tightly. But the harder you pull it, the tighter the ball bearings inside here lock against this rope, and there's 3 of them locking down all around it. So I can't make that slip at all. If I keep pulling that, trying to make it slip, I'm going to pull pegs out of the ground before this slips in anyway. So that's the setup, nice and tidy. Now packing it away is really easy, all stays neat and tidy again. First thing I do is just pull the rope out of the bag here, just makes packing it back in there easier later. Grab the bottom section of this and just pull it downwards, and that loosens the tension on the rope. You can then take it off the peg at the bottom there and just continue to pull the rope through till you get to the very top. Right up to the top here, we can then take that off of our awning pole, caravan awning, whatever we've got that attached to. And from here, just grab the rope, once again, loop it around your hand, wind it all up until it's all bunched together. Don't have to be too tidy here. Stuff that back in the storage pouch here, and that is your Tiegear Guy Rope all packed away. Really easy to use guy ropes, all packs away in these UV resistant pouches, all UV resistant materials. Put that in your tent bag, in a storage bag, whatever. You don't have guy ropes hanging out everywhere that are going to get tangled every time you go to set your tent or awning up. Packs away nice and easy. Awesome product, really revolutionizing how you look at a guy rope. Awesome addition to your tent, awning, caravan, whatever you need to anchor poles down to or something to the ground. Check out these Tiegear Guy Ropes online at snowies.com.au.